these things, sir. I have been teaching the people. I have been teaching them, and now you are telling me this. So he got a little bit upset, and he said that sometimes, there were moments. There are moments where you feel, not connected. But with time, what I realized is that Ahmed started respecting me the most. Because with time, when he realized that the pressure which I'm putting, there is a reason behind it. And the outcome is his learning. So I'm so impressed when he found out that I am leaving. I decided to leave. He sent me a one-on-one separate email requesting me, sir, please think about it and please stay with us. So then I replied to him with a reason and my values, which are more precious to me, and I have to follow them, and that's why my decision is final. So Ahmed has been a very, very good colleague for me. I am so happy from you because I saw your performance. When you went to Alain, you took this big risk, you went there and you really performed. This is February month. In the month of January, you grew the business 36%. So the good thing is, I know each one of you, how much you are growing, what you guys are doing, and accordingly, I gauge and give weight to the result. So thank you, well done, and keep up the good work. If I continue like that, it will be all night. We will be sitting here, sitting to the stories.
Yes, we want.
Next,
Okay.
Mariam.
Next is Mariam. I don't know Mariam. What? How many days? So about Mariam, it's around 2 months. I am really happy when I saw her performance. Basically, we are not directly working. Most of you are working with the BDMs, and then I'm getting the feedback. But for sure, I have my eyes on each one of you. I know the performance. I go through the daily reports. I understand where you guys are really putting efforts, and then through your bosses, I put the advices through to you to focus on the focus areas. So Mariam has been doing a great job. She has brought some good customers. Once I went to a customer and I realized that Mariam has already reached to them for the business. I've never ever told anybody, but then I realized that no, the lady is really, from day one putting her efforts in the business. So well done, keep it up. You're new to the team, but I wish that you would have worked longer. I would have, all of them who has worked for a longer period with me, the more they got, polished. So Joy,
Favorite.
Joy is my favorite. So when Joy, as Joy was, telling in her speech, very interesting. Joy could not take the pressure and she said, no, I want to leave the organization. So I called her, I really coached the lady. I told her, this is not what Joy is. You should not do like that. And since then, she really picked up her game and she started performing all green. A lot of customers, customer over customer, she's been getting for the company. So well done. I'm really happy to see you more strong and continue the way you're doing the work.
Jayesh.
Mr. Jayesh, I like your speech. You rightly said more than a decade. Since I know Jayesh, but Jayesh never worked with me. He was working with Anwar Saab. He was working in his team, but I knew his performance. He was really rocking in 5 gallon. So I had the feedback. Based on that, I joined one organization where I said, Jayesh, I requested him to join. He joined there. He worked with us for around 2 years or 3 years, and then he joined here as well. His first entry was very difficult. He got the entry and he got the pressure from our best friend Ben. Ben was leaving and she was putting everything on him, and he was like, sir, have I taken a right call? Then I called him and I told, man, don't worry, you need to just take it. And he took my advice. He just signed on the handover and he started working from there. So since